FXA Social Sports is here in Fairfax County. We're basically an adult social sports league that's been around since 2007. We offer 8 different sports: flag football, soccer, kickball, softball, dodgeball, basketball, cornhole, and kickball. And it's just an adult rec sport league. So our involvement with the World Police and Fire Games happened about 2 years ago. We were contacted to be the sport coordinators for flag football, beach volleyball, indoor volleyball, and dodgeball. So we're really excited to help out our first responders of our country and internationally and get involved with the games. It was a perfect match for FXA and the World Police and Fire Games because we've been running sports for 8 years. We have excessive knowledge in all the sports, the bracketing, the athletes, that kind of stuff. So it was a good mix for us to come in and assist them with creating the courts, building the courts, engineering the courts, putting the schedules together, the bracketing, all that good stuff. So it's really important to have these the World Police and Fire Games here in Fairfax County because it's bringing a lot of revenue into Fairfax. It's bringing a lot of international athletes and people into Fairfax to kind of see everything we have to offer here in Northern Virginia. Lerner Town Square is a very unique venue because it's very central for a lot of the athletes. It's very metro accessible. It's a walking distance away. We have a mini village here, so we're serving alcohol. We have a stage, we have cornhole, we have courts available for warm-up for dodgeball. We have some courts open for sand volleyball as well. So it's just a fun, good location for all the athletes and for the spectators as well. So when we were here on Sunday after the storm on Saturday, everybody came out on Sunday. We had CrossFit in the corner. We had all the beach volleyball courts going on. So it was great. So the CrossFit event, they were running sandbags up a very steep hill. They were pushing sleds. Doing a lot of the CrossFit stuff, so it was amazing to watch those athletes come out and compete.
So we're volunteering for the World Police and Fire Games, and so not only are we helping out with the CrossFit event here on site, but we're also helping out with the volleyball games as well. We've been actually helping out with the scorekeeping as well as retrieving the balls and stuff like that. So that's been a lot of fun. I mean, just watching the games, it's been incredible.
Beach volleyball, we have international players from all across the country playing doubles, men's, women's, and mixed. And we're here on the beach volleyball courts, and it's been great. So dodgeball is going to start on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. We have 20 teams involved. They're going to be all kind of decked out in their costumes and such, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So the coordination took a lot. There were multiple different groups involved with the coordination, from obviously police, Homeland Security, event coordination, engineering, a lot of different aspects that all came together to make this event work. So it was a spectacular event, and we're very happy to be proud to host the games here in Fairfax County.